Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to split a single column of text into multiple columns. I am Jafari, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have an imaginary employee data sheet here in which employees' first and last names are joined in a single column. However, we would like to split this text so that first name is in one column and surname is in another. Let's do that. The first step for us is to go to column header, right click, then insert. This creates a new column. Next step is to select all the text that we would like to split, in this case all employee names. Next step is to go to our data tab. Our next step is to go to text to columns, double click text to columns. If our text are separated by special characters such as commas and spaces as they are in our example, we need to ensure delimited is selected. Then click next. Our next step is to ensure all special characters separating our text are selected here. In this case, comma and space. Then click next. Here we select general to ensure all numerical and date values remain the same and everything else get converted to text. Our next step is to click finish. And there we have it. Our single column of text has been split into two columns. Let's rename these columns. And that's it for our tutorial on how to split a single column of text into multiple columns. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.